Nothing is bringing something big this time. The Nothing Phone 3A series is officially launching on March 4th, and the leaks have already revealed some jaw-dropping features that may shake up the smartphone market. Is this the perfect answer to Apple's dominance? Let's dive into everything you need to know. Nothing is bringing something big this time. The Nothing Phone 3A series is officially launching on March 4th, and the leaks have already revealed some jaw-dropping features that may shake up the smartphone market. Is this the perfect answer to Apple's dominance? Let's dive into everything you need to know. For the first time, Nothing is introducing a triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 3A is rumored to feature a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. On the front, a crisp 32MP selfie camera for your best shots yet. The Phone 3A sports a stunning 6.8-inch FHD plus AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And yes, the iconic glyph lighting makes a return, adding that unique flair we've come to love. Powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 SoC, this device ensures seamless multitasking and gaming performance. With up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it's built for speed and reliability. The 5000 mAh battery promises all-day use, paired with 45W fast wired charging. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, this phone has you covered. Running on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, the Phone 3A guarantees a clean, user-friendly experience. Plus, it comes with NFC support for easy payments and fast data sharing. Nothing's co-founder Arkis Evangelidis explained it best. The series is designed for users who value a great experience over cutting-edge specs. It's all about balance, delivering an impressive camera, smooth display, and elegant design without breaking the bank. With Apple reportedly launching the iPhone SE 4 soon, the timing couldn't be better for Nothing. The 3A series is strategically priced and feature-packed to compete head-to-head with the budget-friendly iPhone and even Google's Pixel lineup. Mark your calendars. March 4th is the big day. The launch coincides with the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, a fitting stage for Nothing to unveil its latest innovation. From the powerful triple camera setup to its elegant design and competitive pricing, the Nothing Phone 3A series is shaping up to be a serious contender in the smartphone market. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Nothing is leaving a mark. If you're as excited about the Nothing Phone 3A as we are, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TechVerse, and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let us know in the comments. What feature excites you most about the Nothing Phone 3A series? See you in the next one.